Welcome to episode 2599 of the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and I welcome you to the final day of the series we're exploring. This is a series to boost your confidence. And these days, it seems that there's a lot to feel uncertain about. And so I wanted you to explore meditation techniques this week to begin to trust yourself, trust others, and trust the world around you. Whatever you're going through, tap into your inner strength. I'd love to hear how you did this week in your series. It would be an honor if you shared a rating and review of how you're enjoying the meditations and how meditation is impacting your life these days. Those reviews mean so much to me, and they help others find the podcast. So as you get ready to settle yourself down, I want to review a little of what we explored this week. You learned how having a routine, some ritual in your life, can help you feel more confident each day. So if you wake up at a certain time and you have a few things you do regularly and you end your day the same way each day, this can help you have some regularity in your life to where you feel more confident. Now, you might be in a situation where that's more difficult, but you could still come up with some fun and creative ways to weave little rituals into your day. I've heard from some of you letting me know that you really enjoy doing mudras. That's a way you position your hands, and it's considered to activate a corresponding region of your brain. Every Wednesday, day 4 of a series, I share a mudra with you. And the mudra for this week was the prawn mudra. You could do it right now. It's where you touch your thumb tip to your little finger and ring fingertips. So your thumb is touching your ring finger and little finger. And do this with both hands. This mudra, by the way, mudras are 5,000-year-old meditation techniques. This is a mudra that helps you tune into your confidence and inner wisdom. And when you sit in stillness, as you do every time you show up for yourself, you begin to tune into your highest qualities. And these are your inner strengths. So honor your inner strength. Pull from it each day when you feel challenged. Allow yourself to fully embrace your inner strength. So a mudra is an example of a little ritual you could do throughout your day. You could pause and do the week's mudra. You could also do a breathing technique. Or maybe every afternoon after lunch, you walk in nature, or listen to some music, or light a candle, or have a cup of tea. Do something to allow yourself to slow down. You are, as I say at the end of every series, so worth slowing down for. So I invite you now to make yourself nice and comfortable. You might do this as a walking meditation outside. Make sure your body is relaxed because this allows your mind to relax. Straighten your spine, whether standing or seated, keeping yourself nice and focused. Close your eyes, gently elevating them upward. This shifts your energy upward. It instantly boosts your confidence. Tune into your breath, each inhale and exhale. Breathe in peace. Release tension. Mentally affirm, I am limitless. I am limitless. Very nice. You might be holding the prawn mudra. Hold it for as long as you feel comfortable doing so. Anytime your mind wanders when you meditate, focus on your breath. Each inhale and exhale through your nose. This will help to realign you. Now bring to mind the past week. Think of the highlights when you felt confident. Think of when you trusted yourself. Think about when you trusted others. Celebrate these moments. Now, as you reflect over your week, consider the times when it was challenging to feel confident. What may have contributed to feeling fearful, vulnerable? Honor these challenges. They can guide you to an even deeper expression of wisdom about how you live your life. Notice the contrast between when you felt uplifted and confident, and when you may have felt defeated or uncertain. Now allow yourself to sit in stillness. This is your time. You are so worth slowing down for.